Hi everyone, welcome on back to my channel. Today is the day of my retwist and I decided to come and show you the takedown process. So this is my completed retwist and I did add the lock buns or lock knots into my hair. And my hair was still kind of damp at this point. I did do the retwist in these buns earlier in the day. So I'm going to take my bonnet dryer and dry my hair. I don't do this that often, maybe once a month do I use my bonnet dryer. This dryer gets extremely hot on the part of the dryer where the cord is connected to, like between the connection of the dryer and the bonnet. That cord gets really hot, so I usually have like some type of towel or something to put under it so I don't burn myself because this thing gets extremely hot. So I did sit under the dryer for about 30 minutes, I want to say, and that my hair was completely dry at that point. So now I'm just going to start taking everything down, take down the knots, and then I'm also going to take out the clips. I still use clips at this point because of my hair and the texture of it. My hair is very unruly and it doesn't stay in place unless I have something to hold it down. I know some people can do their retwist and like kind of lock it in and leave it and they don't need clips. But at this stage in my journey, my hair still doesn't cooperate in that aspect. So I still use the clip because I find it to be necessary. Now I do have a video on how I create these buns in my hair already on my channel, but if you want me to do like the whole entire process of my retwist and then creating these buns at the same time, I can make a video on that. So this is the final look of how everything looks when I take everything down. Then I was sitting here and I was playing with my hair and I was looking at the shape of it and I was like, what would it look like if I were to cut it at this point? So I have been thinking about cutting my locks back into a bob. So I decided to take the shorter layers and then take the longer layers and put them in a ponytail on the back so you can't see it, and just play with the shape of my hair and see what it will look like. I actually like the way this looks. This is really cute. Like it's kind of like a asymmetrical bob, I would say. So I might consider it, or not. I might just kind of figure out a way to wear it like this to give me that illusion that my hair is in a bob. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye guys.